Most gardeners think fruit needs full sun, but that's only half the story. There are fruits that love shade, and when you put them there, they grow better, sweeter, and with fewer pests. Let me show you 15 fruits that turn low light into abundance. A shady garden isn't wasted space, it's simply misunderstood. Shade creates cooler soil, stable moisture, and less stress for certain fruits, and those fruits reward you with surprising harvests. Today, I'll break down 15 shade-friendly fruits and decode how to grow each one in low light. Number 1. Strawberries. Strawberries only need about 3 to 4 hours of sunlight. Too much sun actually burns them and dries the crowns. In partial shade, they produce fewer leaves but larger, juicier berries. Give them mulch and slightly acidic soil for best results. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries tolerate more shade than most people think. Their secret weapon? Shallow, fibrous roots. Shade keeps the roots cool, and cool roots mean sweeter berries. Just keep the soil acidic and you're set. Number 3. Black currants and red currants. These were designed for shade. They fruit heavily even with as little as 2 direct sun hours. Currants shrug off cold, pests, and low light. Honestly, one of the easiest fruits for forgotten corners of the garden. Number 4. Raspberries. Raspberries prefer morning sun and afternoon shade. Give them dappled light and they'll produce longer canes and less sunburn on the fruit. Remember, moisture is their best friend in shade. Number 5. Gooseberries. This fruit thrives where most others sulk. Shade protects gooseberries from scorching and mildew. You'll get fewer fruits in deep shade, but they're always bigger and firmer. Number 6. Elderberries. Elderberries grow naturally on forest edges. They tolerate deep shade and still flower well. Just prune them regularly so light reaches the inner branches. Number 7. Mulberries. Mulberry trees are tough as nails. Even in semi-shade, they pump out fruit. The trick? Give them room. Shade slows growth, so the tree invests more energy in fruit. Number 8. Hardy kiwi or kiwi berry. This fruit loves dappled woodland shade in its natural habitat. Too much sun stresses young vines. Shade-grown kiwi berries taste extra sweet. Less sunburn, more moisture. Number 9. Service berries or June berries. One of the most underrated fruits out there. They grow on woodland edges, so partial shade isn't a problem. You'll get clusters of blueberry-like fruit with almost no maintenance. Number 10. Huckleberries. These are forest specialists. You can grow them under tall trees and still get harvests. Their one demand? Acidic soil. Number 11. Lingonberries. If your garden is cool and shady, lingonberries are perfect. They form low evergreen mats and fruit twice a year. Add pine needles or peat moss to mimic their native forest floor. Number 12. Pawpaw or custard apple. The largest edible fruit native to North America grows in deep shade. Young pawpaws actually need shade for the first few years. Their leaves scorch in full sun, but shade makes them thrive. Number 13. Figs. Figs surprise a lot of people. While they love the sun, they also fruit beautifully in partial shade. Shade slows the tree's growth, which means more fruiting wood and fewer giant branches. Number 14. Narangila, or lulo, a tropical shade superstar. Direct sun burns its fuzzy leaves. Dappled light makes it explode with orange citrusy fruit. Great for greenhouse shade zones. Number 15. Cape gooseberry, or physalis. This plant can handle low light better than tomatoes. In shade, it gets taller, softer, and produces surprisingly sweet husk berries. Just keep it supported. It stretches. Shade gardening isn't about fighting darkness. It's about using it. Here's the real secret. Shade reduces plant stress. Low stress means better roots, better water retention, and better flavor. Feed the soil well, mulch deeply, and space your plants a little farther apart so every leaf catches what light it can. These 15 fruits prove you don't need full sun to grow abundance. You just need to match the plant to the light. This is Dirt Decoded. I'm the Soil Doctor. Like, share, and subscribe to keep learning how your garden really works.